Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Mahindra XUV700, you're not alone. Many owners, especially of 2021-2023 models, face these glitches. These issues often stem from software bugs, outdated firmware, or hardware hiccups. No sound? Ensure your Bluetooth is correctly paired. Mahindra has released OTA updates to address these problems, so check for the latest version in Settings, System, Software Update. If problems persist after trying these steps, the next section covers more advanced solutions. If basic resets and updates don't resolve the issues, a dealer visit is necessary. Mahindra sometimes offers recall-like initiatives for firmware flashes. To prevent future problems, avoid overloading the system with too many apps and keep your infotainment software updated. Moisture can also cause issues, so ensure connectors are dry. Some owners have found issues after rain exposure, which drying connectors and applying a Mahindra recommended sealant can resolve. For units still under warranty, contact the dealer for hardware diagnostics or repairs. Remember, expert opinions from sites like Cardeco suggest updating your software immediately and avoiding third-party apps to prevent crashes.